going on this. So the next step after that is to choose the tool. So right now, I'm going to use a dent dial. A dent dial is a flat bar with a slot down the middle that bends into all kinds of crazy.
So set up my 24 heavy. It's a real stout, kind of the pit bull of my dent dial tools. It's a really strong tool. And I set it up with a 3/8 all thread in the middle. I got an everyday tip with leather on it. And I have the base right over there. That's what comes with the dent dial. This perfect setup is going to fit inside there and get this dent out. Just like this. I have it under a lot of heat. So this old paint's not going to crack as long as you keep it hot.